With the VRDrive Wi-Fi remote, the VRDrive can be controlled wirelessly. The Wi-Fi router is connected by Ethernet cable to the VRDrive. It creates a Wi-Fi hotspot to which any Wi-Fi smartphone, tablet or Wi-Fi computer can connect. By opening a browser window and entering a fixed IP, the connected device displays the screen contents of the VRDrive. Start, stop, pause, resume any program. Change programs, or even create new ones. This accessory is ideal when having the VRDrive installed on a mast or otherwise inaccessible position. The VRDrive Wi-Fi remote control. Access made easy.